folks, Richard Byrne here from freetechforteachers.com and Practical Ed Tech. And I just want to share some thoughts about my really clickbaity headline that I just used for this video, that Chrome tablets and cheaper iPads are worthless. So I said that because Google came out today with an announcement that they're making a new Chromebook, or a Chrome tablet, I should say. It's not a Chromebook, it's a Chrome tablet. It's made by Acer. It's a tablet that's going to run Chrome OS. Great. Whoop-de-doo. And tomorrow, Apple is having a big education event, and they haven't really said a whole lot about what it is, but a lot of the tech blogs are rumoring things about cheaper iPads and cheaper iPencils, the pencil that works with the iPad Pro, but coming to the iPad. So, great. And, Microsoft did the same thing last spring. They came out with Windows 10s, which was supposed to be the streamlined, stripped-down version of Windows 10. It could run on cheaper devices, and so you could get a cheaper laptop, but you had to run Windows 10s instead of Windows 10. Well, back in February, Microsoft ditched Windows 10s and said, you know what? We're just going to have a Windows 10s mode if you want to use that, because nobody bought the cheaper thing. Nobody wanted the Windows 10s, except for very few people. Now, I'm saying all this because there's going to be tons of hoopla on the web tomorrow about everything that Apple does and all the stuff that Google's doing, and it's all worthless unless your school puts some time into professional development. You can buy the coolest, fanciest, newest thing that Apple rolls out tomorrow, or whatever Google rolls out. This Acer tablet that runs Chrome OS is supposed to come out in April, so just a few weeks away. But they're not going to do it. Those devices aren't going to do anything special for you unless you put some time and effort into learning what those devices do. And that's where I see a lot of places, a lot of schools falling short. We're going to go one-to-one with the new iPad that's only going to cost $260, and this is going to put us on the front page of the newspaper. Great. But you got to put the time into learning how to use the device, really learning how to use the device. For example, I just got a Windows 10 tablet that runs full Windows 10, and the way that I'm going about learning it and learning how it really works and the things I can really do with it, I'm just setting it aside and using that as my primary device for a few days, and that's all I'm doing. I'm not going to default back to my old MacBook. I'm not going to default back to my trusty Lenovo ThinkPad. I'm just using that Windows Surface tablet for the next few days to really learn how it works, with the exception of my phone, obviously, which I'm using for this. So those are my thoughts about all the announcements that are coming out from Google and Apple regarding their new education products. As always, if you have any feedback for me, feel free to shoot me an email, richard@byrne.media, or you can send me a note on Twitter or Facebook or wherever else you find me on the internet. Have a great day.